Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a USDT to your Phantom wallet. First I want you to make sure you have installed a Phantom wallet. You can do this from the Chrome web store. Just click here on add extension. And once we have everything set up for a Phantom wallet, you can see here we have the extension, okay? And then all you need to do is click here on receive. And then go ahead and just choose your Solana. So this is our Solana address. You can copy this. So what you do now is you just go to the platform where you hold USDT, for example, like Binance, Coinbase, and then select the withdraw crypto option, and then select your coin as USDT right here. And then for the address, just copy the Solana address, paste it here, and for network, you can see right here, it auto-matched Solana. And if it doesn't auto-match, you can just come here and select Solana from the list of options. And then all you need to do is just choose your withdrawal amount and then hit withdraw. It's really that easy and simple, actually. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.